is the time to fetch the method of preparation such that this particular block. To do that, let's capture this step 1 using UiPath. If I just move on to this, let me take a sequence to perform these actions. Match, then in this, let's use get full text activity. Let's capture this particular step 1 block, and if you just observe the selector of it, it is the IDX here is 1. Okay, let's do the same thing to capture the step 2, and the selector here will contain the IDX 2. With that, let's move on and do it for the step 3 too. Here for this, the IDX should be 3. Once that is done, let's go and create a separate variables here saying control K step 1 enter to capture this particular string or data, step 2 enter, then to capture this step 3 enter. Okay, so what I will try to do is I will try to display it right here, all these steps. Step 1 plus a new line, step 2, then VBLF, a new line. VBLF is nothing but in .NET we use to introduce a new line in the sentence. Then step 3. When that is done, let us take this back to the normal state, initial state, and we will try to run this particular flow once again. It is searching for the apple. Then because it has got the search results, it has tried to fetch the first item in the list. It will try to navigate to that particular flow. Here we have got the ingredients, and then we have got the step 1, step 2, step 3. Are we done? No, because here our robot is not robust enough to work with other recipes, because probabilities of every recipe having 3 steps is very less. Okay, there are some recipes which might have 5 steps, but the current code that we have implemented is capable of fetching only the 3. Even if it has 2 steps, this particular flow will fail because it will be unable to find this particular 3rd step, and it will lead to the failure. So why not make our robot capable of handling that too?